Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can find trending topic from YouTube dashboard and then how you can create 100% AI free videos and then you can make money. So if you are a student or if you are a job holder and if you want to start your YouTube automation as a side hustle, so this video for you. So what is YouTube automation? We can find different topic or niches and then set up your YouTube channel, and then you can use different AI tools to create the videos and then you can upload into your YouTube channel, your TikTok account, Instagram Reels or Facebook page or Snapchat. Okay, so first of all go to your YouTube channel. So if you have running YouTube channel and already uploaded different videos, then you can find the analytics and then go to trends, and here you can see a save 38. That's mean I have already saved different topics over here. How it's come here, just click on back, so you will see your dashboard like this. Get ideas for your next video. So these are really important because many of you just are using different tools to finding the topics, but the hidden tricks is into the YouTube dashboard analytics section. This trend section will help you to generate the ideas. As a beginner, we don't have enough ideas. We are looking for videos and different AI tools to generate the ideas, but these are the trending topic and it's recommended for your YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, because my audience are searching and they are viewing this kind of, that's why YouTube suggests me. Okay, so you can see the saved button. That's mean what people are looking for. Okay, click on show all and you will see this kind of dashboard. That's mean these topics are very highly searchable and clickable. That's are people looking for. They are watching this kind of videos. Okay, so when you click on love symbol, then it will saved. So this is how I have already 38 saved, and from this I want to create each and every single video on this particular topic. Okay, like this one, best AI video generator for Instagram. So this is the topic and this is the video idea. So you can create a video on this topic, best AI content writer in 2024. So you can rewrite this best AI content writer tool in 2025. So let's copy the video idea over here, and I'm going to show you how you can create 100% AI free video. We have to use a tools. It's called vid.io. vid.io, it's a AI tools, so you can generate AI text to video. You can create avatar, generate subtitle, remove background. Okay, so I have created so many videos using these tools, and these tools supported amazing results. Okay, you can see this kind of shorts video in my YouTube channel. If you visit my YouTube channel, okay, you will find this kind of shorts video. No credit card required. Just sign up with your Gmail account. If you want to upgrade, you can upgrade their premium packages. So you can subscribe their premium packages only $9. Okay, it's a light and pro $24 per month, and if you sign up with my URL, you will get 50% off for 3 months. Okay, so it's time to create AI video and it's 100% free. That should be okay. So first of all, click on AI edits and you will see AI text to video. Click on that, create videos from your text. What kind of video do you want to create? So you can create social media video, describe your topic. That's mean you should describe the topic. Also you can use ChatGPT, Gemini or other tools to create different kind of topic, and then you can paste it here. And what kind of videos they can produce? A viral TikTok video, product demo video, history of raw, different kind of social media video. If you want to create business video, that's mean monthly business updates, company announcement, sales pitch, different training, new software training. And click on other, 5 way to keep fit, how to make pizza, science behind rainbows. So I'm going to use others and I'm going to paste the video topic that I already copied from my YouTube analytics dashboard, and I will rewrite this. That's mean it should be to 2025 and best AI content writer tool. I will add a keyword tool in 2025. Okay, so next click on generate video. Alright, so customize your video. In this section you can choose your sizes. That's mean video sizes. You can create portrait, that's must be a TikTok or shorts video, reels video. And if you want to create a landscape video, and that should be like this, it's a YouTube long format video. So I'm going to create a landscape video, long format video. And presenter, so you can select a avatar. That's amazing. You can see a girl over here, but you can change the girl. Perfect. Also you can select the subtitle style, so you can select different style over here. It's time to click on continue. Okay, so edit script and review. Alright, so choose tone of voice, target audience, and make and final edits to the script. That's mean it's a AI generated script. So vid.io will help you generate a script, but you can change like tone of voice. So you can select over here, it should be informative or enthusiastic or persuasive. So I think it should be informative. And target audience, content creators, marketing professionals, small business owners. Okay, so I think marketing professionals. Perfect. So click on rewrite. So this tool will help you to rewrite the article over here, and it will see the, here you can see it's rewritten, and it's time to click on continue. Alright, so we are creating your video. That's mean they are preparing some script, voiceover, background, different videos, images, photos. Okay, and finally video will come up here. So I will show you how you can also edit over here, and then how you can finally download it. So it's completely free, guys. So you can use these tools unlimited, creating free of videos, short video, long format video. Okay, so this is a long format video. So in the next video I will show you how you can create a short format video. Okay guys, and if you are first time watching my YouTube channel, so don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video is helpful, and always you can get this kind of AI tools video money making content. Okay, alright guys, so finally video ready. So you can preview this video. Okay, also you can remove the music over here, because it will get a copyright problem issue. Okay, that's why remove the music over here. Also you can add music from YouTube library. Okay, so this is the video. You can also change the video length, like you can change the ratio. It's a for YouTube wide landscape, make it for YouTube. Also you can change the for your Instagram or TikTok otherwise. But okay, so this is the subtitle section, here you can see, and this is the audio section. Okay, this is the avatar. Okay, also different kind of scenario that already generated. Okay, so everything is done. So it's time to download the video. Also you can if you want to some edit over here, so you can edit. Okay, so click on done section, and you will find a option over here, quality make sure is standard, and burn subtitle make sure it's enabled, and click on export video. Alright guys, top AI content tools revolutionizing marketing. Okay, so our video is ready. Okay, so let's play the video.
As a marketing professional, staying ahead of the curve is crucial, and in 2025, the best AI content writer tools are game changers. Imagine having an assistant that not only understands your brand voice, but also analyzes trending topics in real time. These tools are leveraging advanced natural language processing to create compelling, SEO-optimized content that resonates with your audience. With features like tone adjustment and audience targeting, they can craft everything from blog posts to social media updates in seconds. The integration of data analytics means you can refine your strategy based on performance metrics. They're continually learning, adapting to your preferences and industry shifts. This means less time worrying about writer's block and more time focusing on strategy and creativity. In a landscape where content is king, these AI tools are your royal advisors.
Perfect, I think you would love it. Okay, so click on here download button, and just click on MP4. Okay, and it will automatically download it into your device. Okay, also you can use these tools in your mobile phone. Perfect. Here you can see the premium download. It's no watermark, full HD. So if you want to download full HD and no watermark, make sure you purchase their subscription. Okay, otherwise you can download with watermark, it's no problem. Okay, it's perfect. So our video already downloaded, here you can see. So this is how you can generate unlimited video, like long format video for your YouTube or other social media platform. So if you find this video is helpful, and if you want to see this kind of tutorials, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification. I will come back with new tutorials. See you in the next video. Have a good day.